Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video. I wanted to throw out another educational YouTube video for you guys here, and I wanted to go over how you actually should be trading, especially in the Forex market if you are day trading or scalping like me. So a lot of people tend to think that day trading or scalping you have to be trading every single day, which is completely not true. Okay, and in fact, if you actually do that and you trade every single day, every single setup you see, you will actually notice your losses getting huge and racking up very quickly, as that is something I have noticed. Something that you have to take into consideration is, especially during this time of the year, this market is gonna get crazy, especially we're going towards Christmas and New Year's, so you gotta calm down, right? So taking only A+ setups is mandatory. For example, last week I took only 3 trades, okay? 3 trades, one of them being this trade right here. I saw the area of interest in that neckline right here, bouncing off of it multiple times, and once we ended up breaking out and closing that third time, I entered that and set that take profit for 66.2 pips, and that ended up getting smacked. So that was just one out of many, and 66.2 pips is actually quite substantial for a Forex trade, just to let you guys know. And then I can also show you guys a quick example of me taking a loss, mainly because of me just not really caring and just going at it because I thought day trading meant that you have to trade every single day. Okay guys, but while I was looking for my loss, I ended up finding another one of my big gains. Right here you can also see a neckline, but you could see it getting higher lows, right? We break that structure, come back down, and then if we go closer in here, you can see we reject off of that area of interest, and I ended up entering right here. And then it continued to consolidate, came back up, formed this area of interest, came back down, tested this, and then came all the way back up, tested that, and continued going to the upside. And I saw these levels already. They were all already graphed out. So then I ended up taking my 91.6 pip profit off of that as well. So letting your runners run is actually huge. And one thing I also learned while day trading Forex is stop taking your losses too early. I understand it's less of a loss, but most of the time when I take my stuff out way too early before my stop loss gets hit, it ends up bouncing way before my stop loss gets hit, and then goes in my favor. It's happened to me so many times just within the last like 3 weeks, and I'm telling you guys right now, just stop doing that. Here's an example of one of my losses when I thought day trading meant that you have to trade every single day, no matter the news, no matter the circumstance. Every single time that you see area of interest or you see something in your strategy end up playing out, that's when you should enter. But not A+ setups, stuff like that. This is one of them. Okay, so I saw this area of interest. We came back and bounced. I graphed out my take profit and stop loss. And then what ended up happening was I ended up actually taking out early this trade. But you see the retest, that was my entry. And then came down. I'm being patient, right? I'm trying to practice being patient. We ended up retracing all the way that deep into the red. And then I took out there, and look what happened when I took out, because that was not where my stop loss was, as you could tell, but I took out early because I wanted to minimize the losses, right? Ended up flying in my favor and taking that take profit. So this is what I'm talking about. You should be very, very strict with your stop losses and take profits, and stop taking out too early. It will kill you as a trader, and it will literally is the difference between you being profitable and unprofitable, is taking out too early after you find your profitable strategy. Also, there's another thing I wanted to quickly go over. A lot of you people may know about this. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are getting taken off pretty much of all unregulated brokers in the United States, which a lot of people have been really, really mad about. And all the different brokers are switching to different trading platforms like Act Trader. That's one of them. Specifically for Hanko Trade, they moved to Act Trader. I quickly learned about it. I took a day off of trading just to learn about Act Trader, and I actually quietly don't mind it. I took 2 really, really good trades on Friday to end Friday off of Act Trader, and there was really nothing that happened that was really bad. Took my profit, all that stuff. Really, really clean, quick entry and quick exits. Like, I don't mind it at all. I don't know why people are so mad. We're in a world where you have to adapt to certain stuff in today's day. So if that stuff happens, just adapt to it as quickly as possible and just keep moving forward. If Act Trader gets taken out and someone else has to get replaced by Act Trader in Hanko Trade specifically, then I'm just going to learn that quickly and then continue trading. There's no reason to make excuses as of, oh, I've been trading with MetaTrader 4 and 5 since I've started trading. Well, times have changed. adapt to it, and just continue your trading journey. Stop making excuses and just quickly learn those things. If they end up scamming you, oh well, you shouldn't have that much money in an unregulated broker anyways, okay? So me personally, I put just some money in, and then as I'm making profit, I'll withdraw it. And then once I'm even on my investment, so if I put, let's say $2,000 in the broker, once I have $2,000 taken out, then I'm risk free and I'm just gonna compound my money, still withdraw profits, but just keep doing that. So then if something like that happens and they take all my money, well, I'm over my initial investment anyways. So it is what it is, but stuff like this is very risky. I trust Hanko Trade, I trust Act Trader, so I'm gonna continue trading off of those, and I'm gonna continue my trading journey super quickly and not make dumb excuses like everybody else is making. But hope you guys found this video very educational. Just remember to stay super strict to your take profit and stop losses, and just don't act like this is get rich quick. Take a couple of minutes, take a couple of hours to trade every single day, especially on the weekends. Market's not even open. Learn, back test, do your thing. Know how markets react to your certain strategy and become profitable. Hope to see you guys on the other side. Peace out.